Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Alcohol-free living. Transform your life for the better. Choosing to live an alcohol-free lifestyle is a powerful decision that can have a profound impact on your personal growth and overall well-being. In a world where alcohol is often synonymous with socializing and relaxation, opting for sobriety can be a game-changer in how you experience life. The significance of embracing an alcohol-free lifestyle goes beyond just abstaining from drinking. It is about taking control of your choices and prioritizing your health and happiness. By eliminating alcohol, you open up a world of possibilities for self-improvement and growth. Sobriety has the incredible ability to enhance mental clarity, improve physical health, and strengthen relationships. When you free yourself from the influence of alcohol, you allow your mind to operate at its full potential, leading to increased focus, productivity, and creativity. On a physical level, living alcohol-free can result in numerous health benefits, such as better sleep, improved skin complexion, and increased energy levels. By nourishing your body with wholesome foods and staying hydrated, you can experience a newfound vitality that will propel you toward your goals. Moreover, sobriety can have a transformative effect on relationships. Being fully present and emotionally available can deepen connections with loved ones and cultivate meaningful interactions. Living alcohol-free can lead to greater authenticity, empathy, and understanding in interactions with others. In this video, we will explore the excellent benefits of living alcohol-free and how this lifestyle can empower you to become the best version of yourself. Get inspired and informed as we uncover the many advantages of embracing sobriety for a brighter, healthier future. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding sobriety, embracing a life of clarity and growth. Living alcohol-free is more than just abstaining from drinking. It is a conscious choice to prioritize your well-being and personal development. Sobriety is about freeing yourself from the influence of alcohol and embracing a lifestyle that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Sobriety is often misunderstood as simply abstaining from alcohol, but it encompasses so much more. It is a mindset shift involving intentional choices to live a healthier and more fulfilling life. By choosing sobriety, you are committing to a path of self-discovery, growth, and empowerment. The benefits of living alcohol-free are vast and impactful, from improved mental clarity and emotional stability to enhanced physical health and stronger relationships. Sobriety can transform every aspect of your life. By removing alcohol from the equation, you create space for personal growth, self-reflection, and positive change. It is essential to distinguish between sobriety and mere abstinence from alcohol. While abstinence refers to refraining from drinking, sobriety encompasses a holistic approach to wellness that involves actively working towards self-improvement and growth. Sobriety is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, where you learn to navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace. Personal stories and testimonials can offer powerful insights into the transformative power of sobriety. Hearing from individuals who have embraced an alcohol-free lifestyle and witnessed positive life changes can be incredibly inspiring and motivating. These stories serve as a reminder that sobriety is not just about giving up alcohol, but about gaining a newfound sense of clarity, purpose, and fulfillment. In the upcoming segments, we will explore the concept of sobriety and how it can pave the way for a life filled with growth, joy, and authenticity. Get inspired by real-life experiences that showcase the incredible potential of living alcohol-free. Quitting alcohol can have a profound impact on your physical health, leading to a myriad of benefits that can enhance your overall well-being and vitality. By choosing to live alcohol-free, you open the door to a healthier, more energized version of yourself. One of the most noticeable improvements when quitting alcohol is the boost in energy levels. Alcohol consumption can often leave you feeling tired and sluggish, but by eliminating it from your routine, you can experience a newfound vitality that fuels your daily activities and pursuits. With increased energy, you can tackle tasks with greater efficiency and enthusiasm. Better sleep is another significant advantage of living alcohol-free. Alcohol disrupts the quality of your sleep, leading to restless nights and groggy mornings. By cutting out alcohol, you can enjoy more profound restorative sleep, allowing your body to recharge and rejuvenate for the day ahead. Improved sleep quality can ripple effect on your overall health, mood, and cognitive function. In the long term, choosing an alcohol-free lifestyle can significantly reduce your risk of developing liver disease and other health complications associated with excessive alcohol consumption. By giving your liver a break from processing alcohol, you allow it to function optimally and maintain its crucial role in detoxifying your body. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle without alcohol is critical to reaping the full benefits of sobriety. Regular exercise, nutritious meals, and adequate hydration in your daily routine can support your physical health and well-being. Finding alternative ways to unwind and relax, such as practicing mindfulness or engaging in hobbies, can also help you navigate life's challenges without relying on alcohol. In the following segments, we will delve deeper into the physical health benefits of living alcohol-free and provide practical tips on cultivating a vibrant, alcohol-free lifestyle that prioritizes your well-being. Get ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. Sobriety has the remarkable ability to enhance mental clarity and emotional well-being, empowering you to navigate life with greater focus, resilience, and inner peace. By living alcohol-free, you can unlock a world of cognitive benefits and emotional stability that can transform your overall quality of life. Living alcohol-free can lead to significant cognitive improvements, including enhanced focus, concentration, and decision-making skills. Alcohol consumption can impair cognitive function and cloud your thinking, making it challenging to stay sharp and alert. By abstaining from alcohol, you allow your brain to operate at its total capacity, leading to improved mental clarity and productivity. Emotional stability and resilience are also vital benefits of sobriety. Alcohol can often be used as a coping mechanism for stress and negative emotions, but in reality, it can exacerbate emotional turmoil and lead to mood swings and instability. By embracing sobriety, you learn healthier ways to manage your emotions and build resilience in life's challenges. Finding alternative strategies for coping with stress and emotions is essential for maintaining emotional well-being without relying on alcohol. Mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can help you stay grounded and centered during stress. Seeking support from loved ones, therapy, or support groups can also provide valuable outlets for processing emotions and building emotional resilience. In the upcoming segments, we will explore the cognitive and emotional benefits of living alcohol-free and practical strategies for nurturing mental clarity and emotional well-being. Prepare to embark on a journey towards a more focused, resilient, and emotionally balanced you. Living alcohol-free can profoundly impact your relationships and social interactions, fostering deeper connections, improved communication, and authentic bonding experiences. By choosing sobriety, you can nurture your connections and create a supportive social environment that aligns with your values and goals. One of the key benefits of living alcohol-free is the opportunity to strengthen personal connections and communication with others. Alcohol can sometimes act as a social lubricant, but it can also hinder genuine interactions and emotional intimacy. By removing alcohol from the equation, you can engage in more meaningful conversations, express yourself authentically, and build stronger bonds with those around you. Socializing without alcohol may present challenges, but it also offers rewarding opportunities for growth and connection. Navigating social situations and peer pressure while maintaining sobriety requires self-awareness, assertiveness, and boundary setting. It's essential to communicate your decision to live alcohol-free with confidence and clarity, setting clear boundaries with friends and loved ones who may not understand or support your choice. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who respect your sobriety can create a supportive social network that uplifts and empowers you on your journey. Create meaningful connections and authentic interactions that enrich your life and support your sobriety journey. Choosing an alcohol-free lifestyle is a powerful catalyst for personal growth and self-improvement, paving the way for transformative experiences, inner exploration, and positive change. Individuals can embark on self-discovery, empowerment, and continuous evolution through sobriety. Self-reflection, goal-setting, and self-care are integral to self-improvement through sobriety. Regular self-reflection allows individuals to gain deeper insights into their values, beliefs, and aspirations, paving the way for intentional growth and transformation. Setting meaningful goals and milestones can provide direction and motivation, guiding individuals toward their desired outcomes and personal development milestones. It is essential to reflect on the transformative power of sobriety and the boundless opportunities it offers for personal growth and well-being. Living alcohol-free opens the door to a world of possibilities, from improved mental clarity and emotional stability to enhanced physical health and stronger relationships. By choosing sobriety, you are not just giving up alcohol, you are choosing to prioritize your health, happiness, and personal development. Sobriety is not just about abstaining from alcohol. It is about embracing a lifestyle that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Consider the positive impact of an alcohol-free lifestyle on your well-being and future. Take this opportunity to embark on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and empowerment through sobriety. Please take action today by subscribing to our channel, liking and sharing this video, and exploring more content on sobriety and self-improvement. Let's continue to inspire and support each other toward a brighter, healthier future. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey towards a life filled with clarity, growth, and fulfillment.